So I wanted to show you how you can switch out the nibs in the dual holder pen. This is the one that you should have gotten in the kit. So you will have to first gently slide this flange out of this holder. You can just hold it by the base here and just push it out. But sometimes if that is hard to do, if it doesn't slide out like this, sometimes I like to put it at the edge of my desk here at the corner, and then I'll just kind of like push my pen down to pop this flange out. If any case that the middle part does come out with the holder, that's totally fine. You just have to make sure that when you insert it back into your holder, like for example like this, if this middle part comes out, that's not a problem. You can still just take out all of the pieces like this. Let me first show you how to put the nibs. So I have the Browse 361 as well as the Nico G, and what I do is I just gently open up this flange with my finger, kind of hold it with one hand like this, and then I'm gonna take my nib and I'm just gonna slide it through. These holders should generally be fitted for the Nico Gs. So the Nico Gs shouldn't be hard to kind of put it into the flange. You're just gonna slide it in, not all the way, but just a good comfortable amount like this. And then we're gonna have to pinch this edge here. We're gonna put it back into this inner hole, okay? And once you do that, you're gonna slide it down all the way, and then you can also put it back into this holder and line it up so that lines up to that slit on the side. Okay, so you're just gonna make sure it's all the way in like this, and then that should be ready to go. So we're gonna do the same thing with the Browse 361. Open the flange with one finger, just like I did, to just slide out the Nico G. And the Browse 361, you're gonna hold it by the base here. And same thing, we're just gonna slide that in here. Okay, so the more you open up the flange, the easier the nib is gonna go in and out. Okay, so just slide it in there about this much, and we can always adjust it later. We're gonna pinch the edges, and then we're going to put it back in this inner piece and then back into this holder. So you just want to make sure that the tip of your nib is aligned to the center of this holder here. So right now, if you look at the center of the holder, it goes out right about here. So the nib is sticking out a little too much. So then I would just kind of hold it by the base. I never hold the nib by the tip. And then you're just gonna slide this nib down more so that it aligns to the center of your holder. So again, if this is really stiff right here, you can always take it out again and then just like adjust it that way. Okay, so that looks better and better aligned to the pen. So you just want to hold it like this if you're lefty, and then you want to hold it like this with the index finger on top, thumb on the side, and the third finger here to support it if you're right-handed. I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any other questions.